20. Come on, 21. The fuck, was that car on fire? Wow, he's freaking beautiful. I feel like I'm gonna like get jumped back here.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Kid. What's up, guys? It's a very chilly Monday night, but I figured I might as well go out and ride because it'll soon be very cold Monday nights as opposed to chilly. So yeah, just figured I'd get out, ride a little bit, ideally practice some wheelies. It's kind of dark though, honestly, so we'll see what we can do here. Is it a cop? I don't think so. There we go. We're just feeling so much better now, as you guys can tell, the wheelies, that is. Oh my god, it's cold out here. Holy shit. I think it's like 50 degrees. Woo, it's chilly. So cold. Not good enough to turn quite yet. What the f? What are we doing here? What the f, bro? What is this f guy doing, dude? This is so sketch. I cannot emphasize how goddamn cold it is right now. I know I'm being a baby, but wow. This is all like summer gear I'm wearing. That's probably why it feels so cold. Oh yeah, people, just another classic situation of the GoPro freezing. You know how it goes. I think I'm gonna go up here. I've never been up this way. Yeah. This is 76. Oh, what's that down there? No clue what this is. Little exploring. Very curious as to what I'm walking up on here. I think it's just train tracks, to be honest. Some old tables. This is some very urban exploration. Some old table. Very nice. Cool table. Dude, look how warped that wood is. I thought it was a cushion at first. Yeah, I don't think this is really anything super interesting back here. I think it's just train track stuff. Train stuff. Just a little turnaround spot. Good spot to practice those little spin turns. Well, this is all very interesting. This goes pretty far back, surprisingly. Oh, I almost lost it. Why do I feel like I'm gonna like just get jumped back here? Probably because there's a good chance of that happening. So let's keep it moving. This is low-key ominous as hell though. This is a fun little playground though. I'm definitely gonna have to come back here. Jesus! What the f? Is that car on fire? What the f? Sometimes the cop sits right here, so I gotta be careful. Beautiful night though. It wasn't starting, I'm cold. I love the looks of judgment that everyone gives you for doing wheelies. All locked up, huh? Wow, it's actually locked for once. That thing is never locked. Wow, that was just like absolutely redlining the piss out of it. See, learning on these hills is so perfect though. Like, if it's a little slant, so it gives you just so much confidence, I guess, because you don't have to like feel like you're as far back because you're on a hill. So if anyone's trying to learn out there, I definitely recommend practicing on some hills. You can get some pretty long ones.
Yeah. I treat the gang like one of my phones. You can't get in without knowing the code. Call and collect for all that I'm owed. This ain't origami, I'm never gon' fold. Sail on my coat, oh shit. My dog 40 water, I tell him to go. Take what I'm owed, oh shit. This ain't origami, I'm never gon' fold. 1 in a million. Why would I take your opinion? You probably would fold in the shit that I've been in. Made it out, ooh, what a feeling. Look how they done turned the hero to a villain. Notice we calling them ops. I might send a shot from the top of the building. Never take me for no industry plan. We can't do all that linking and building. Fuck do y'all take me for?
Dude, I'm not wearing a belt. My freaking pants were getting pulled down. Yep. I like it. I can't complain. I cannot complain about it. Dude, I knew when I got out on the bike, I'm like, I should probably wear a belt because these pants are kind of loose. And I'm like, nah, I don't feel like going upstairs to get a belt. Now here we are. I'm freaking sloshing around in these pants. I swear to God, you actually have to like start learning wheelies to understand how hard and how impressive some people are on the bikes. Like, even if you don't know how to ride a motorcycle, I feel like it's even more impressive once you know just how to ride a bike. Like how talented some of these guys are. It's unreal. We just need to get a tad further back because you can see we're ringing her out right at the end. Initially, like off the bat, we're decently comfortable, I'd say. But I mean, it's scary once you're back there. I swear to God. It gets quite intimidating. But it all comes with time, you know. It's all about seat time. I had someone comment on my recent video. Shout out to this guy. Sorry, I don't remember the name. But he was talking about wheeling his DR200. I'm like, dude, you can wheelie any bike. Honestly, DR200 is probably easier to wheelie than my CRF250L, just because it's not nearly as heavy. Yeah, granted there's less power, but it's not nearly as heavy. And if you change up the sprockets a bit, you could totally do it. So yeah, it's just all about practice, dude. Get out there and practice. Literally 3 months ago, I could not wheelie more than 5 feet. I was doing these first gear wheelies, and I was just like, oh, there's not enough power in second gear to wheelie. Yes, there is. There's so much power. It's all about how you release the clutch, pull back, shift your weight. Especially with these heavier bikes and underpowered bikes, you just have to shift your weight back. You know, granted, it's not as easy as wheeling like a CRF450L or a KTM, but like, it's just what it is. Oh, my eyes are just getting so watery with this cool ass air. So my advice is just get out there and practice, man. You just need the seat time. No one out there was just suddenly good. They all practiced for hours on end. Hours on end. And they fall a lot. See how fast we can go. In eco mode. 19. Come on, can we break 20? Can we, 20. 20. Come on, 21. This is what it's like to ride a Sur-Ron. Dude, that's how freaking loud those damn tires are. I brought that up before and people are like, no, those tires aren't that loud. I think these things are so loud. Maybe because I'm coming from an R3. You go, then I go, then we all go home. What is with all the horses in this bit? That's a beautiful horse. Dude, I kind of want to go look at it. Wow. Wonder if he's bringing it down here. It's a beautiful horse. I just said it's a beautiful horse. You're bringing him out.
Yeah, for a little walk.
Nice. Do you just take him along the trail?
Yeah, you can take him anywhere.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're under the transportation law.
That's cool. Could I say hi?
Yeah. This is my buddy's horse. I'm taking care of it while he's away.
Okay.
He's an Andalusian.
What's the name?
He's a Spanish horse. He's Moringa.
Wow, he's freaking beautiful.
Yeah, he's a horse.
Wow.
Look at that. about $20,000 worth of horse.
Jeez.
Kind of like the Honda.
Honda, yep. It's a CRF250.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's got like the license plate, it's street legal, all that.
Yeah. 250. I like that.
Yeah, it's cool. It's not.
KDX200. Me and my son got bikes and ride.
Oh, nice, like the two-stroke, right? The KDX. Yeah, yeah. I mean.
Put them back together next day. You see him wheeling the bike down the street. It was in pieces the night before.
That's impressive. Hey, well, have a good night. It was nice talking to you. Well, that guy was cool. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will catch you next time. Peace. Oh, peace.